What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Redcat Kaiju EXT 6S.
Perfect.
Yeah, what I'm doing with this rig today, I'm gonna do a speed test. This is about the 10th time I had this car out here. And today, I'm gonna put it out there. If it fell in the beginning, I'm gonna put it out there. It failed in the beginning. I told you, Urban, I was gonna get this car out here. We're gonna see how this thing run today. So, let's get into it.
Ready.
Yeah, but this is all stock gearing. I'm having problems with this car. I lie to you not. I'm having major problems with this car. Now the speeds, I got it up to like 60. She's nice and straight. Okay, she's not as straight as I want it to be. And let's see if I can pull this up real quick and steering. All right. These are factory tires. Whoa! I had some other tires on there. They definitely hold the hell down a lot better than this, man. I don't know if I want to go past that car with this thing wobbling like that. And I'm at full throttle right here. I let off. I definitely let off. Let's come back this way. Full throttle. Yo, that takes skill right there. Yo, this thing look mean though. But let me check that speed if I figure out where I put my phone at. I hope I started this stuff. And let's see if I started. And I didn't start anything. Okay. The wasted battery. Let's see. Ooh. Of course, almost lost my nav. All right, man. I'm gonna check that crashing speed right there. 50, not bad. That was not a good pull at all. So I got 50 miles an hour so far. Yeah, I take down the GNS, I take down the body because this thing flaps in the wind, going with the wind. And I definitely lack speed doing that, so let me make sure the steering is straight first. She holding out so far. Got the steering dual rate turned down. I changed the pinion out. I forgot about that. Changed it to a 16 tooth pinion because it was a 13 in there. Full throttle. That was full throttle. Here we go with that. Ah, this car here. $73?
Perfect.
Whoa, nah. 73 miles an hour? I can't believe that. It was moving. I don't believe 73. 73? All right. All right, I'm gonna ease into it. I can't believe 73. 73 miles an hour. What y'all think? 73? Oh my God. Seriously? Yeah, I'm back out here with it. Put Loctite on it. It still sounds funny though. The pinion was loose, but I got it 78 miles an hour. Now hopefully it survived this, and then I'm gonna bash it around a little bit. Steering is a little off. Nothing I can't handle. Now I'm at full throttle right here. That was a clean pass. That was very clean. Now if this is a true 78 miles an hour, this will be my favorite car. This will become one of my favorites if this is 78 miles an hour again, which I pretty much doubt. Oh, stop. And we had 72. Wow. 72 miles an hour, not bad. So the 78 was most likely a good call. But I'm gonna do it again. Let me make sure I zeroed it out. Stop. Read. Zeroed out. Let me do this steering a little something. Let's see which way you're going. It's hard to get this centered right. And these 72 miles an hour on the factory tires at that. It's not factory gearing. Got like a 16-tooth pinion in there. Stiffened up the center diff with oh yeah, I had to abort that one. You know what I'm doing? I'm gonna do a back up here. It was losing it though, it was wobbling. Like it had a gyro in it. Yeah, I couldn't really get it like that. All right, let's check that. Like it did the other day. This is a totally different day. Just 70. I don't get that when it's dying down. All right, now what I did was I tightened up the motor mount was loose. One. Another thing that let me hit that 78 miles an hour, I had the body taped on the side so it don't flap in the wind. Before it was flapping, I put tape on it, stopped flapping. And that helps with the aerodynamics. I would run it without the body, but I don't want to take chance of a bad crash. And no. But let's see, all right, what we're gonna get here. I'm at, yeah, full throttle right now. That was full throttle. but she was wobbly. These tires are not made for speed testing. I just want to see how they're going to do straight out the box. I wouldn't be surprised if I blow them. Yeah, I got let off. All right. That's crazy though. Them tires got it wobbly, but they holding it down for the most part, but it kind of take little skills to hold it down when it's doing it. And survey says still hitting 70. Battery dying down on me now. 70, the wobble's not helping. But you know what? That's cool. Let's go on some off-road, see what we get. Turn this off, take my GNS out. Yeah, I'm having a little problem with my grub screw though. This is a little fragile. I don't want to do that yet. Flipping up trees, don't got that. I ain't got that much confidence in it. But yeah, this is gonna be my favorite. This is one of my favorites now. That's amazing. But the thing is, since I did limit the shocks, it's flipping a lot easier. Okay, she's spinning out. Spinning out. Off-road is not bad. Not bad at all off-road. Whoa. Let's see how she does on some jumps. This most likely gonna be the end of this car. Oh, that was corny. Yeah, let's see how high she can jump. Oh my goodness. See, and the thing is, I forgot my ramp. I don't know why it's these tires, they're not pushing through like that. Just, all right, we're gonna try one more jump. It don't pretty much seem like it's gonna turn into nothing. It's not even the fact that the grass is high, it's these tires. Yeah, we not doing nothing. Yeah, she not gonna jump. Oh yeah, this is my side wheelie car, ain't it? Yeah, those shocks are me limited the shock, got it out. Yeah. Oh, I think I limited my steering too. Oh no, oh yeah, I did. There we go. Okay, I did it the wrong way. There we go. Let me see, can I pull off some side wheelies? Yeah, it's bottoming me out. Too quick, not bottoming out, but it's limited the shock rebound. Cause I really don't have a hard time doing this. Oh yeah. Yeah, but it did 78 miles an hour. Top speed was a fake 78, but as you see, it hit 70, 72, and so I said that 78 ain't too far off. So I believe that's 78 miles an hour now. But I would have liked to got it again so I can all the way verify it. But I understand why I was hitting 72, 70. I'm not gonna keep pushing it. I could push it, I could see disaster. I'm so scared to do it, right? To push it and that grub screw come off while I'm headed to the street and I won't be able to stop the car. As you can see at the bottom of the car, how it won't bottom out. It's not going to bottom out no matter what. Yeah, but as always, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.